The real estate industry has always been a fertile ground for innovation, from online listings to drone photography. Yet one of the most transformative trends we are witnessing today is the integration of virtual reality, VR, into property tours. This technology is not just altering how properties are showcased, but is reshaping buyer and seller experiences, providing a more immersive and informative approach to property viewing. Virtual reality technology offers potential buyers a virtual walkthrough of a property, accessible from the comfort of their own homes. This isn't just convenient, it's revolutionizing the buying process by saving time and money, expanding the reach of listings, and enhancing buyer engagement. In an era where digital convenience is valued highly, VR tours stand out as a pinnacle of technological advancement in real estate. One of the most significant advantages of VR tours is their ability to break down geographical barriers. Prospective buyers can visit dozens of homes in different cities or countries without ever leaving their living room. This is especially beneficial for international or out-of-state buyers who want to make informed decisions without the extensive travel. Traditional property viewings can be time-consuming and expensive, especially when buyers are exploring multiple options or when properties are far apart. VR tours eliminate the need for multiple in-person visits, which not only speeds up the decision-making process, but also reduces travel expenses and scheduling conflicts. VR allows for a detailed, self-directed exploration of properties. This level of interaction also helps in building a stronger emotional connection with the property, which can be decisive in the buying process. Despite its benefits, the adoption of VR in real estate has challenges. The initial setup cost of VR technology can be high, and realtors may need training to effectively create and manage virtual tours. However, as the technology becomes more widespread and accessible, these costs are expected to decrease, making VR a viable option for more realtors and agencies. Simple VR setups that use smartphones and VR headsets have already made it possible for smaller real estate offices to offer virtual tours without significant investment. As we look ahead, the role of VR in real estate is set to grow. Virtual reality tours represent a significant shift in real estate, offering distinct advantages over traditional methods by making the property viewing experience more immersive, accessible, and efficient. In an industry as dynamic as real estate, staying abreast of such technologies is not just beneficial but necessary for those looking to provide the best service in a competitive market.